What in the world should you pack for a year in a backpack and a carry-on? You're joining Laura Foster with Souls Healing Humanity, and stay tuned to the very end. I'm going to share the number one travel hack that I have found as I've explored the planet. But let's dive right into it. Yes, I've been traveling in South America for almost a year with just a backpack and a carry-on. So you may be wondering, what in the world, Laura, what's in your pack? So let's explore. As the ones of you that do know me, I am a barefoot triathlete. So I do bring along my TRX, which is here, already packed in the bottom. Got like a sun hat. In here, I also have some socks. And since I've been in a lot of different climates from 105 degrees Fahrenheit down to about 30 degrees Fahrenheit, so I've had to use the layering principle. So you'll see I've got some alpaca pieces in here. Let's see what else I am going to be putting into my bag. As I said, I am a runner, so I've got multiple layers of a couple of shirts. I've got my running vest, 2 pair of running shorts, a dressy top, another just base layer, a running bra, a regular bra, a dress. And let's just start kind of packing this in here. Now I want to pause for just a second because there's a great debate on whether you get packing cubes or not. And I spent a lot of money on these packing cubes. Actually, this is the last one that's left. So if you ask me personally, I'd say skip the packing cubes. I've gotten rid of all but this one, and I don't even know if I'm going to use it. Personally, I just stuff those in there. The other thing I want to mention that is definitely worth the purchase. And first of all, I want you guys to know there's no like affiliate marketing going on here. I'm just sharing what I've personally used. But I have really enjoyed these. They're actually washing sheets. So if I hand wash stuff, it's really, really simple. I just pull out what I need and I can hand wash things as I go along. Super easy, flat to pack. So what else am I putting in my bag? Let's take a look. Okay, I know this is silly and you probably won't pack this when you travel, but I'm also vegan and I also rent Airbnbs where I can cook because it's not always easy to find safe vegan food as you travel. So I actually packed 2 aprons, but those probably won't be on your list. So substitute it with something fun for you. Weight gloves for training. Yes, I've got like 4 swimsuits because I am a triathlete, swim a lot. Again, base layers like fleece lined tights, another pair of running pants, some dressy little pants. Yeah, another pair of dressy pants, and 2 more pair of running tights. Yes, it all does fit. Now, I may have to do some reconnoitering as I go along, but I don't get stressed about it. Just take my time, pack it down, see what else is going in here. This is actually my swim kit because I do swim a lot. So I've got my swim cap, goggles, all that stuff, and this little doodad. Other things, got a jacket, and that may fit here. As I said, it's all about layering. So I've got a nice, like a sweater, long sleeve sweater. Pack that in here. And these are 2 things that you may not bring. They're unique for me. This is actually a yoga mat cover. It can double as a towel. Honestly, I don't think I would bring that again. And this is since I do filming and do courses and things, this is a nice backdrop. It can double as like a little cover up. So that also goes in here. A scarf. So you can see we're getting down to how things fit. This would be my toiletry bag, so everything it would fit in here, so it's easy to pull out as I fly. Bose wireless headphones, pair of gloves, some cards. You see, I'm just kind of getting it all to fit. Like I said, may have to do a little bit of reconnoitering as I go along, but it does fit. So. And the other travel tip I have is occasionally I will buy a piece or two, but then I just get rid of a piece or two that's kind of old. I call them disposable closables, and get rid of it as I go along. This should zip shut. So that closes nicely. I'll show you that it closes. It's not overstuffed. Easy peasy. And yes, I do have a little bit of technology, so I do love this Peak Design backpack, and that all my chargers, computer, all goes up in here. I'm going to throw this in here. This is the packing cube I didn't use. A visor. So this closes easily. Another travel hack. I travel with a steel hard bottle. Inside here is my yoga stretching rope. And this also doubles as a back roller. So in the morning, I have a routine where I roll my back and I do stretching. That's all in here. So handy dandy. It actually just goes right on this outside pocket. So there's carry-on backpack. Yes, I travel with a corny fanny pack. So this is where I'll put, my money, my passport, all that stuff right close to my body. Have it on, easy peasy. And the best travel hack I have found in all of my travels is get a neck support roll that you can open up and take out the inner support, and then you can stuff this absolutely full of extra clothing. So I've got a bathing suit, a little piece of lingerie, another running shirt, and I may have to do some connoitering, but it will all fit. And if it doesn't, you see, I'm not really that stuffed or overpacked. So I may have to throw this pair of shorts into the carry-on bag, and I can. I try not to overstuff anything. It's just not necessary. Let's see, these might fit in here. But this is such a great travel hack because then you're never questioned, no matter where you travel around the planet. If you have one of these, they're going to let you on the plane, train, automobile. Actually, it's not even that packed. I could fit something else. And it's super easy. And you were able to get whole, 4 or 5 other pieces into your travel. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Subscribe, like, do all that stuff. Until next time, this is Laura Foster with Souls Healing Humanity. I love all you people.